You sure?
I was 17 when my body changed seemingly overnight. Flesh and blood and raging hormones. So intense. It's like primal. Oh God, that's so hot!
That boy next door. Do you love him?
It's none of your business. But then, one night that summer, everything changed. I was 17 when my mother disappeared. One day she was there, cleaning, making dinner, and the next, she was gone.
What kind of mother would do something like that?
I hate to be the one to tell you this. Hundreds of wives go missing. Every week.
There were times when I thought she was going mad. She was going to burn the house down.
That's the butter.
It was almost like she wanted to have an affair or something.
Could it be that's what she was doing?
Guess anything's possible, right?
You came here to seduce me.
I know.
It worked.
My father had his own drawer of secrets.
Your mother never loved me. No evidence. Not a single trace.
She's got to be somewhere, right?
You need to let some of your anger out. You're gonna crack.
Why are you doing this? Are you insane?
Harder!
我是胡兰芳，是一名护肤老师，有6年多的护肤经验，能帮助你解决各种肌肤问题。如果有肌肤问题的朋友，可以加我的 QQ 187-353-022。
The beautiful woman she once was became a phantom wandering away in a snowstorm.